Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for audio enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the world of premium sound with our countdown of the top 5 best Bose headphones. Known for their unparalleled sound quality, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, Bose headphones have become a favorite among music lovers and audiophiles alike. From immersive noise cancellation to wireless convenience, these headphones offer an exceptional listening experience that will transport you to another realm of audio bliss. Whether you're a music connoisseur, a frequent traveler, or a professional seeking the best sound quality, these Bose headphones are sure to elevate your audio game. So, get ready to explore our hand-picked selection and find your perfect pair of Bose headphones. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things audio. Let's dive into our top 5 best Bose headphones and let the music take you away. Number 1. Bose Noise Cancelling 700. Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 are premium over-ear wireless headphones that offer an immersive audio experience. With their sleek and modern design, they provide comfort and style during extended listening sessions. Equipped with advanced noise cancellation technology, these headphones block out external distractions, allowing you to focus on your music or calls. Featuring Bluetooth connectivity, the Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 provide seamless wireless audio streaming from your devices. They also have a built-in microphone that ensures crystal clear call quality, making it easy to take hands-free calls on the go. With Alexa voice control integration, you can access your voice assistant with a simple voice command. The Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 deliver exceptional sound quality with balanced audio and deep, immersive bass. They are designed to optimize audio at any volume, providing a dynamic listening experience. With a long-lasting battery life of up to 20 hours, these headphones can keep up with your day-to-day activities. They also come with a convenient carrying case for safe storage and portability. The Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700 are compatible with the Bose Music app, allowing you to personalize your listening experience and access software updates. Number 2. Bose SoundLink Wireless 2. Bose SoundLink Around-Ear Wireless Headphones 2 in black are premium headphones that offer a fantastic audio experience and convenient wireless connectivity. With their sleek design and comfortable fit, these headphones provide hours of comfortable listening. Featuring Bluetooth technology, the SoundLink Around-Ear Wireless Headphones 2 allow you to connect wirelessly to your devices, such as smartphones, tablets, or laptops. This wireless feature gives you the freedom to move around without the hassle of tangled cords. The headphones boast a powerful and immersive sound with deep, clear lows and crisp highs. You can enjoy your favorite music or movies with exceptional clarity and detail. The advanced microphone system provides clear calls even in noisy environments, ensuring your voice comes through loud and clear. With a rechargeable battery, these headphones offer up to 15 hours of wireless playtime, allowing you to enjoy your music throughout the day. When the battery runs low, you can quickly recharge them with the included USB cable. The SoundLink Around-Ear Wireless Headphones 2 are designed for convenience. They feature intuitive controls on the ear cups, allowing you to easily adjust volume, skip tracks, and answer calls with the touch of a button. The headphones also have a fold-flat design, making them compact and easy to store in the included carrying case. Overall, the Bose SoundLink Around-Ear Wireless Headphones 2 deliver exceptional sound quality, wireless convenience, and comfort. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or taking calls, these headphones provide a premium audio experience. Number 3. Bose QuietComfort 35. Bose QuietComfort 35 Series 2 gaming headphone is a high-quality gaming headphone that combines the renowned noise-canceling technology of Bose with immersive gaming audio. Designed for comfort and performance, these headphones provide a superior gaming experience. Featuring active noise cancellation, the QuietComfort 35 Series 2 gaming headphone blocks out background noise, allowing you to focus on your game without distractions. The comfortable over-ear design and plush ear cushions ensure long-lasting comfort during extended gaming sessions. With precise and immersive sound, these headphones deliver detailed audio that brings your games to life. The powerful drivers reproduce clear highs, rich mids, and deep lows, providing a dynamic and engaging gaming experience. Equipped with a detachable boom microphone, the QuietComfort 35 Series 2 gaming headphone allows for clear and accurate voice communication. The microphone has noise-rejecting technology, which helps eliminate unwanted background noise, ensuring your voice is heard loud and clear by your teammates. The QuietComfort 35 Series 2 gaming headphone is built to last, with a durable construction that can withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions. The headphone comes in a sleek black color, adding a touch of sophistication to your gaming setup. Number 4. Bose QuietComfort 45. Bose QuietComfort 45 Bluetooth wireless noise-canceling headphones in black are designed to provide an exceptional audio experience. With advanced noise cancellation technology, these headphones effectively block out external sounds, allowing you to immerse yourself in your music, movies, or calls. These headphones feature Bluetooth connectivity, enabling you to wirelessly connect to your devices and enjoy the freedom of wireless listening. You can easily pair them with your smartphone, tablet, or laptop and experience high-quality audio without the hassle of tangled wires. The QuietComfort 45 headphones deliver impressive sound quality with powerful drivers that produce rich, balanced audio. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or making phone calls, you can expect clear vocals, deep bass, and detailed sound reproduction. Designed for comfort, these headphones come with plush ear cushions that provide a comfortable fit for extended wear. The adjustable headband allows you to find the perfect fit, ensuring a secure and personalized experience. With a long battery life of up to 24 hours on a single charge, these headphones can keep up with your daily listening needs. Additionally, a quick 15-minute charge provides up to 3 hours of playtime, ensuring that you're always ready to enjoy your favorite content. Number 5. Bose QuietComfort 35 2 Headphones. Bose QuietComfort 35 2 wireless Bluetooth headphones, in black, are renowned for their exceptional noise-canceling capabilities and convenient features. With Alexa voice control integrated, you can easily access music, information, and more with just your voice. The headphones offer world-class noise cancellation, effectively blocking out distractions and immersing you in your music or audio. They provide a balanced and powerful sound experience, with volume-optimized EQ for consistent performance at any volume. The built-in dual microphone system ensures clear calls, even in noisy environments. The headphones are wireless, allowing you to enjoy freedom of movement, and they offer up to 20 hours of battery life. Additionally, a quick 15-minute charge provides up to 2.5 hours of playtime. The plush ear cushions and lightweight design provide long-lasting comfort, making them suitable for all-day use. The Bose QuietComfort 35 2 headphones are engineered with premium materials for durability and feature easy-to-use controls for seamless operation. They also come with a carrying case for convenient storage and portability. Whether you're traveling, working, or simply enjoying your favorite tunes, these headphones deliver an immersive and enjoyable listening experience. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.